How to create chess.com application on your Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily install the chess.com application on your Windows. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and enter chess.com on your browser, preferably Google Chrome, because the method that I'm going to be showing you guys, I know for sure that it works on Google Chrome. It might work on other browsers as well, but it is the safer version. Now, once you land on the chess.com page, what you are going to essentially do is tap on the top right corner on the three dots. Now, from here, you just want to head over to more tools. And then from here, you can just create a new shortcut. So you are gonna just go ahead and click on the cast, save, and share if you don't see it on more tools, and then here you'll find the create shortcut option. So just click on create shortcut. It will install chess.com, so click on create shortcut, and now you can just name the shortcut of the page. I'm just gonna name it chess.com, and then hit on create. So a new shortcut will be created right here on your window. So what you can also do is, while creating the shortcut, you can just click on install this, and it will be installed on your PC. And as you can see here, a new app window will appear on your screen. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. You can also find the shortcuts on your desktop. So that's pretty much it.